Okay, friends, today we're going to do a rhythm review. So we're going to go through each note, each rhythm so far that we've talked about, and kind of go through them in review so that next week we'll be ready to talk about something that is new/review, because we've kind of seen it before, but it's our first official lesson about it. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first one is a quarter note. And the sound we make for a quarter note is ta. A quarter note gets one beat and makes one sound. Then we have a quarter rest. A quarter rest makes no sounds because it's a rest. How many beats? 1. How many sounds? 0. We have barred eighth notes. They make the sound titi. 1 beat, but 2 sounds. Remember, that's why they're all barred together, because even though they're 2 sounds, they only make 1 beat. Next we have barred 16th notes. We call them tiki tiki. 1 beat again, but this time 4 sounds. Then we have a half note. A half note makes a ta, but an extended sound because it's 2 beats. 1 sound that lasts for 2 beats. A half rest. Oops, spelled half wrong. It doesn't make any sounds because it's a rest. Takes up 2 beats and makes 0 sounds. A whole note. Oops. A whole note. We say ta. Lasts 4 beats. Makes 1 sound. And then our whole rests. Has nothing to say, 4 beats, 0 sounds. So something to remember for our half note and our whole note is that those notes are longer than 1 beat. 1 beat would be a quarter note, ta, 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 ta. But our half note is ta, ta, and our whole note is ta, ta. So it lasts for longer. Another thing I want to remind you about is the half rest and the whole rest. This half rest looks kind of like a hat. H-A-T-H-A-L-F. Hat, half rest. That's how you can remember that the half rest, because it looks like the hat. The whole rest looks like a hole in the ground. Like if a little guy was walking and then he fell into a hole. Looks like a hole in the ground. So the whole rest looks like a hole. The half rest looks like a hat. We are going to add a few more rhythms, like I said, to this chart for next week. And in the meantime, make sure that you are remembering how they all go.